and gentlemen, bonjour or bonsoir, depending when you actually going through this video. So today we're going to talk about like colors, very simple colors. We're going to talk about very simple colors, right? Let's go ahead and start right away. The first color is noir. Noir, noir. You notice noir, masculine, and for the feminine you add E, but you don't pronounce it. So it's noir, noir. The next color is violet. Violet, violet, violet. Okay. For feminine, you add an E, but because in French, between two vowels, you have to double the consonant. That's why here you have double T's. The next color is bleu. Bleu. Okay. For feminine, you just add an E, but you pronounce it exactly the same way. Bleu. Vert. Verte. Vert, verte. You notice I'm emphasizing the T, okay? Verte. Blanc, blanche. Blanc, blanche. Blanc is irregular, that's why you have a H here between the C and the E. It's irregular, so you have to add an H there. Gris, grise. Gris, grise. Jaune, jaune, jaune. Okay, jaune has only one form because it already ends with E, so we don't have to add another E to make it feminine, so it's just jaune. Rouge, rouge, rouge. Also notice masculine and with E. For feminine, you don't have to add an extra E, so it's exactly the same form. Rouge. Marron. Marron. All right. You may be asking, how come marron does not have a feminine version? And because it just ends with N, right? Don't we supposed to add another N and make it an E to make it feminine? No, marron is irregular, so it's invariable. You don't change it. Okay, marron is also chestnut in English. So because it's a color and chestnut, for the color you don't add an S. Okay, or you don't add an E. S for plural, E for feminine, it's not added here. It stays invariable. Beige, beige. Rose, rose. Okay, rose. Masculine and with E, so feminine you don't add an E. And then the last one is orange. Orange is another invariable word because orange is a fruit and a color at the same time. So if you want to say orange in the plural form, you don't add an S as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice. Okay, the first one, black. Okay, this is black, so what is it? Noir. Very good. The next color, this is purple. Violet, violet. Bleu, bleu. Vert, verte. Vert, verte. Blanc, blanche. Gris, grise. Jaune. Rouge. Marron, marron. Beige, beige. Rose, rose. And then finally, orange, orange. All right. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.